Ceramics Guild is a place, it's basically like a small pottery studio. We have 2 wheels here, a nice programmable kiln, and lots of different glazes and all sorts of tools to be able to use within the space. Members will provide their own clay. It has to be within a certain parameter, cone 5-6. Otherwise, you have to get permission to bring something different in. So there's 2 places that are relatively close. One's in Charlottesville, it's called Clay City, and then the other one's at Clay Works out in Richmond. One of our members did order some on Amazon, but it has to be within the cone 5-6 parameters. So you can get clay that way. Typically, because when you buy clay, it has to be in a 25-pound block or 50-pound block. Shipping's an issue. We're not charging firing fees for glaze firing. A lot of other pottery studios do. What we do is we ask, if you tend to use up a bunch of glazes, then we ask you to replace them. Hey, if you finished up a jar of one of these, go buy another one. We have a little bit of money in our guild because we have out on the glass case out there, we sell seconds with a pay what you will thing. So we get some money from that, and that'll help us purchase some glazes too. And we do have a little tiny bit of studio clay. If people want to just come in and mess with it before they get a chance to run out and get some, they're welcome to use some of that. The protocol is you clean up your mess. Basically, this whole mess right here is going to have to be cleaned up. Anything that's in this tray has to be put in the slop bucket. The slop bucket gets dumped out in the back because you can't put all the stuff down the drain, even though we have what's called a clay trap. It's a very small clay trap, and it keeps clay from clogging up the pipes. It's a really nice community here, so for $50 you get a lot of bang for your buck.